Dispenser and a water dispenser. Can you girls reach the water? Oh, I think you can. Look what we made. Our own personal chicken feed bucket. Okay, so what we're doing is we're drilling holes. We're in the garage and we're drilling holes to make a feed bucket for the chickens, the ducks, and the geese. And I got these on Amazon. You can see those. They just fit into the hole on the other side. I'll show you. Put it in, pull through, and then put this on. And then that keeps you from wasting food. Okay, so now I'm going to do the next hole here. What I'm doing wrong. I've never used one of these before. There we go. Woohoo! Got it! Yay! Okay, so then let me show you. It's supposed to help save chicken on chicken feed. So we're gonna stick this through like so. And then on the outside, I'm gonna screw this guy on. There, and they won't make such a mess. We hope that all fits okay in there, yes. So look on the inside how that works. So now we're just gonna pull it through. Screw them on. The babies can all eat and not make a mess of their expensive food. You know we're gonna get good stuff, even though they're gonna eat from the fields and whatever we plant, but still, we're gonna have supplemental food. But isn't that cool? Let me know what you think. Also, let me show you the babies.
Here they all are. They're all there.
The chickens are in the coop.
Yes. Look at all of them.
Almost done. I am doing the last sections here. We did it! Our official bird, chicken, duck, and geese feeder is completed.
Yep.
That was fun.
Thanks.
Okay, so we made our food dispenser. Now we're making the water dispenser that saves water and keeps it from being a mess in the coop. I got these and the other ones on Amazon. Drill holes and everything. Plug these in. Added the washers in the back. Plumber's tape on. Washer goes on the inside. I'll show you in just a second. The washer on the inside. And then we'll test it and see if it works. Okay, now it's time for testing. We are filling it up with water. Hold on, I'm gonna pick it up. All right, hold it up, Judy. All right, so try to hold it even. So what's supposed to happen is they fill up with water. When they get light, and the idea is this is going to hang in the coop. Turn it just a little bit so I can see it. And they'll only have so much water at a time. And then when it goes back up from the weight, it'll fill back up, so that you don't waste water and you don't have a big old mess in your coop. Let's see, is anything leaking? Nope. Don't see any leaks so far. gonna be cool. And now we can go hang it in the coop and they can have their own little water source. How cool is that? Can you reach the water? Let me show you. Shay Shay. Oh, look. What's that? What's that? Good girl. Come here. Come here. I really want to call this one Rachel.
Oh, it is
Wait,
Rachel.
that is Rachel. Hi, Ray Ray. Come here, Ray Ray. Hey, Ray. Come here. Hi, Leah. Come here. Oh, come here. Look, it's water. See? You need a drink of water? It's right there. Okay? How about you? Oh, it's okay. Come here. Oh, the good girls. The good girls. The good girls. The good girls.